Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Just quick update about recent experiment. As I mentioned in my earlier video, as yesterday was something like this is just my analysis and just experiment, so don't take it in other, but do your own research analysis. And here, as you can see on the screen, uh, this is I'm following one of the competitor very tiny amount over here you can see. And this the reason I'm making this video, the showing is not easy to find out the right place to enter. So this copy have taken the position with him who has 7x leverage. And look at this, for the is up already. It was up before like 100% and then came down to another thing is it actually went down to minus 30 or 35%, but I was holding it, or even close to 40% minus. And now look at this, because of the just price action, what I believe that time that is gonna work, well, the copier enter with the price, so it's gonna do like that. So the result in front of you. Yesterday also something like that. Although this is just my experiment, so I'm not recommending the copy trading without knowing that. It's very dangerous. What I found it out, let me tell you. This is mock copier. And that was my uh, that's my part of the experiment. But here also I've been experimenting this one as well with the mock trading. But while I entered, apart from this one also was negative, just only for 1 or 2 days, a bit, not a lot, 200 and 200 dollar. But look at this, the gain 113% from just within like less than a month. But this is like you can see whoever gonna see this, they're gonna jump on. But it's not that easy because it went back to minus 50, only 50. It went up to like 100%, close to 100%, then went back to. So in that way people are losing huge amount of money. And if the amount you're ready to lose is okay, then you should, but it's quite dangerous. So you can see this channel, this and this copy. It was, this one was really uh, very strongly positive. Look at this, the 50%, 40% amount gone, like within a few days, but it was on positive side. This one did not that well, but not bad actually within a few days. But this guy was huge positive, huge. And then suddenly it, although it's showing a little bit minus, but from his record is showing maybe 50,000 or 100,000 already gone. So it's not that easy, like if you keep following and it's gonna give you the money. It's not like that. If you're ready to lose, then you should. But there's a certain things you have to follow risk management strictly. Otherwise, even though if you're putting a stop loss every time, but if it's gonna hit several times, you're gonna lose all the capital. So because some of them are taking leverage 50x, most of them 5x, 10x, 20x. So when it's gonna start negative, is negative very fast, and you're gonna lose your concentration. What you're planning to do, you just don't know. Like that time you're helpless and you're losing money continuously. And after sometimes you're blowing your whole account. Is quite often is happening. So I'm strongly not gonna suggest this one. Just do your own research analysis, but very careful. Is really uphill, is very risky. Apart from that, you do your own research analysis and then do your take your own position, then at least your capital gonna be safe. But with this copy traders is very risky. If you're ready to lose the money, it's okay. If you have quite a lot, then it's okay, but don't go for it. The one I showed you, that's my part of the experiment. So uh, after gaining, losing some, but last 2 days I got like 150%, 100%, just experimental. But I'm not recommending. I'm really happy to get like 1% or 2% or maximum 5% per day, maximum, depends on the entry. But that's suppose the one I got 100% already. If I manage to put like the amount 1000, I'll get should be 1000 by this time. If I manage to give 10,000 by just within, but it's not that easy. Like lots of things you need to check, especially the price action candlesticks, so it's quite risky. So I'm not gonna recommend this. I'm following certain strategies, so that's why I made this one last 2 days. But still I'm gonna say risky, so do your own research analysis. Don't go and blindly follow the copiers. It's quite risky. Even this one also making money, but you never know, tomorrow is gonna be maybe minus. Is gonna depends on the entry. Is quite, and the crypto market always huge volatility. So if the entry is wrong, sometimes suddenly the whole amount, whole capital gonna go to zero or something, 50%, 30%, 40%, you're gonna lose. So always do your own research analysis. But that's all from my finding. Thank you. Thanks for your time and watching. That's all from today's video. Thank you. Bye. Okay, sorry, just I'm still here, so just want to show you something. While I was making this video, look at this, like the my I just showed to you this 100%, 110%, or 150%, 15% profit I made. But look at this. While I came to this page, this amount has been closed because is everything is on hand of the copier, because you can't decide where to go. Although in my finding, I know this one has huge chance to go much more. So maybe it's gonna go make it 150%, 200, but you need to is always like what they're gonna decide. So I found it out, lots of them really enter in the wrong place, and your stop loss gonna be hit again and again. So very very careful. So don't blindly follow them that they made this amount of money, so maybe you're gonna make. It's not like that. It's not like that you're gonna blow your account just not even a year, in a day, or even a moment. So don't do this unless you know what you're doing. Do your own research analysis. Just I'm showing you, although I made the profit 110% for this small amount of investment, but it's still I feel like is everything in their control. So always do your own research and analysis. And I like to show you this quickly. Look at this. The thing I want to mention about that one, it was my position over there. Like it was close to over here, and it was short, so it was coming down, and it still is. eh, Anyone can have some idea about the price action. They knows it's not gonna hard to hold it, because today BTC not blindly up, so there's a huge pressure to going down. But you never know, you can't say all the time it's gonna work like that. Crypto is hard to say. It's huge volatility, even it's written on top, high volatility, so you never know. But this one strongly is 15-minute chart is gonna come and retest this level at least, because look at this, by this time it's gonna come over here, is a huge chance to go and come touch 50.50 pence from this level, or even it's gonna come touch the 99 MA. So and this is the way you can also, you can draw line. When you break it, then you can make the entry. So there's a lots of way to, but looks like this one is struggling to hold it, although it's making forming some sort of candle over here, but it's still I feel it's gonna go down, because it is um, the price action is showing like that way. So just explain to how it is. So do your own research analysis. I'm not recommend the copy trading at all. If you're gonna do, then you need to follow it properly. It's very hard to look at this. 119,000 now is BTC is blowing up upside. So uh, earlier I mentioned if it's gonna break this zone, it's gonna go retest this level. If it's break this zone at the bottom side, then it will come and retest this level. So it depends on how it is gonna. But it looks like now because of this candle, it's gonna go and try to break this zone. But always keep an eye, market volatility and other circumstances. That's all from today's video. Thank you. Thanks once again. Bye.